There's got to be a better way.
Holly and Jack may have come up with the idea for a super improved vacuum cleaner, but for now, they have to make do with the old one.
Can you get that?
Happy to. This old vacuum cleaner is driving me nuts. The bag's full again. Check this out, Holly. It's the new fitness tracker I ordered yesterday. That was quick.
Quicker than our plimsolls, do you remember?
Yeah, your feet had grown before they arrive.
If we're delivering the Super Slurper to people's houses, I definitely want to make sure it arrived quickly, so people could start having fun. We could have our own fleet of vans with Super Slurper Express on the side. How cool would that be?
But wouldn't that cost a ton of money? And it's not great for the environment adding more vehicles to the roads. Heard of global warming?
Maybe electric vans then, or hydrogen-powered vans. They're new and super green.
Still sounds expensive. And if it costs us more, we'd have to add it onto the price of the Super Slurper. Might make it too much for people to afford.
Yeah, not ideal. So, we could use a delivery service instead. Someone who already takes packages for other people. That'd be greener and cheaper.
I think we'd have to do it that way. After all, we can't deliver them ourselves on our bikes. And I don't think we could convince Mum to do it. Watch this. Mum, can I have a lift into town?
Get on your bike.
Yeah, that option's out. We'd also want to make the experience as easy as possible.
What do you mean?
Well, there's nothing worse than hanging around waiting for a delivery. That's boring. What we need is something like a guaranteed delivery time slot and regular updates to their mobile phone to keep people informed of where their delivery is.
Deliveries in the evening when people are home would be good, and weekends they might have more time.
There are many ways to deliver goods, and as Holly and Jack have found out, there are costs to be taken into account. Not just costs which might affect a product's price, but the cost to the environment too. One truck making many deliveries for a lot of companies is more efficient than separate trucks for separate deliveries.
What if someone changes their mind? Or the Super Slurper doesn't work? How are they going to send it back?
I guess we need a returns policy and make it super easy for people. Maybe have someone collect it from their house or let people drop it off at certain places near their home, like a post office or a supermarket.
Yeah, even if they don't end up wanting our product, we don't want them to feel bad about us. They might not buy any other amazing inventions we come up with in the future.
It would be a good idea to make sure that people were happy in the first place, making sure the technology was super reliable and they got all the facts before making their choice.
Sounds like we have a plan, an amazing new concept for a better vacuum cleaner, from an idea to delivery.
Job done. Now I've just got to deliver on this vacuuming with our cranky old machine. I wish it was a Super Slurper. Might have scored 1 trillion slurps by now.
Good luck.
Jack and Holly have put a lot of hard work into thinking about how they could do the job better with their Super Slurper, but it's not the end of the story. In the real marketplace, things change all the time. What people want to buy, what products are available, where they can buy them, as well as the price. With new goods coming out every day, designers need to innovate and improve to stay ahead of the competition and give consumers exactly what they want.
That's the end of that. Mom, I think you're gonna need to go shopping.
There's got to be a better way. With support from the UK's #1 vacuum cleaner brand, Shark. Find out more at funkidslive.com/shark.